Hello everybody, my name is Tanner Falcon from Danny Tanner's Window Washing on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. And right now I want to talk about what I call mud, but it's actually water spot remover. And this is key because a lot of your windows are going to be next to sprinkler heads and windows that actually have been rained on. And hard water spots are the most annoying thing to deal with when you're washing your windows. You will see a window that you'll see mostly in egress windows. You'll see the ones that are lower below ground. You'll see that they're almost damaged looking. Well, this will take away all your problems right here. You're saying, Tanner, you're crazy. You're getting the windows dirtier than they already are. Well, you're wrong. This actually acts kind of as a wax. What I want to do is I want to be able to get this onto a damp cloth. I want to get some mud on it. If you have to take a whole gunk out like that, even if you have to take a chunk of this stuff out, I want to then apply it to the window, which I will show you a little bit later on. Then you're also going to need the dry side to buffer it out. So this is key to getting the most annoying spots that you'll see in the sunlight and on the egress windows and even the doggy door. And I use it on jewelry sometimes. So it's very, very, very safe for a lot of different things that you may think that it would scratch off paint or anything like that.